Okay, so for the question, okay, so for the question 11, we have the question is about 2 to the power of 8. And then from the question, the given data, we know that 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1k. Now, our job is to change the 2 to the power of 8 into the k form. So, it means I have to change the 2 to the power of 8 into 2 to the power of 10. As we know yesterday, so the number 10 and number 8, I can make it into 10 subtract 2. 10 minus 2, the result it will be equals to 8 still, right? And then as we know yesterday, when we have a division using indices, we just need to subtract the powers. Now we have the subtraction of the powers.
Subtraction of the powers.
Now we can
Teacher,
change it
We
into
can change it
division.
into division.
teacher, but I haven't printed yet. Teacher.
Okay. Can all of you
Can all
unmute
of you
yourself first?
unmute yourself first?
Hello, teacher. I haven't printed, teacher.
Yeah, it's okay not to
It's
print,
okay not
just to
to
mute.
print.
You can later you can write the answer on a paper first, so later you can copy it on your paper later on. Even the yesterday's discussion I already shared it yesterday through the Google Classroom. Okay then. Now can I continue, or is there anyone want to ask me anything before I continue? No. Okay.
No.
Okay, as we already learned yesterday when we have the division using indices.
There is a gray square in the middle of your presentation.
There is
No,
a,
that's before.
is there any gray square or
What?
something?
No, there's nothing in front. I see everything clear.
Stanford, I know why can see it because he's lagging. I mean like it's not lagging. I mean his connection is like not fast.
Really stable. Oh, okay, okay.
Well, I just do is just I see it. Nothing. I see nothing. I just see everything, but not the grayscale.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Okay then. So I can continue, yeah?
Yes.
Yesterday, we learned that when there is a division using indices or using the number with having power, we can just subtract the powers. Now, we already have the subtraction of the power 10 minus 2. So, from 10 minus 2, I can change it into division. So, just make it into 2 to the power of 10 divided by 2 to the power of 2. The 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1k. So I can write it as k only, or if you want to write it as 1k also okay. 2 to the power of 2, I can change it into 4. That's why the 2 to the power of 8, if I change it into the k form, it will be k divided by 4. Is it clear, or is there anyone having any questions still?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Later, if you have any question, please let me know through the chat box, yeah? Okay, if you have no question, I will continue to the question 11. Oh, some of you are still confused with. Let me go back to the yesterday's class first. The yesterday's class. Wait.
Hello.
Hello, is my voice audible?
Thank you, Alvin.
Yeah,
Yes.
the k. What is the k divided by 4? The 4 you get it from where?
2 to the power of 2.
Wait, so if 2 to the power of 3, that's mean
8.
the
Yeah, k
all
divided by 8. Yeah. Yesterday we learned this, right? When there is a division, using indices, we can just directly subtract the power. Example, 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. That's why it will be 3 to the power of 2. So today we have like 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 8. It will be equals to the power of 10 minus 2. Because there is a subtraction using the power, we can change it into division. We change it into 2 to the power of 10 divided by 2 to the power of 2. The 2 to the power of 10 is equals to the k. It's given from the question. 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 2 times 2. It will be equals to 4. That's why the final answer will be k divided by 4. Is there anyone having questions still, or it is still not clear enough?
That's clear, teacher.
Okay, so I can continue to the next question. Later, if you
Yes.
have any question, please, yeah, just let me know through the chat box. Yes, when there is a division using indices, the things that we can do is subtraction the powers. If later there is a multiplication, we can just directly add the powers. It only happen with the indices, the number with the power. But if we have the normal multiplication, 4 times 4 times 4, we cannot finish it by 4 plus 4 plus 4. It will be wrong. So we have to multiply them. 4 times 4 times 4, it will be equals to 64. Okay. If square root, for the question 11, square root of 121, it will be equals to 11, right? Is there anyone having any question regarding the question 12?
No.
No? Okay. So everything is clear from the question 12? You can check it from your answer sheet. Is there anything confusing from the question 12? No? If not, I will move to the next question. Okay then. Let me know if you have any question, yeah? For the question 13, list all the prime number less than 40. Prime number start from number 2. So 1 is not a prime number, do not forget. Because usually you will make the 1 as a prime number. 1 is not a prime number. Prime number start from number 2. Prime number only have two factors, 1 and itself. It cannot be divided by any other number else other than 1 and itself. So here are the prime numbers less than 40. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. Is there anyone having a different answer, or maybe I missed some numbers in here? No? Okay. If,
What song is that?
Sorry?
What song was that?
Oh,
Stanford, what's wrong with your computer?
sorry, it's
What?
the notification from the Google Classroom, because I was opening the Google Classroom before for Can, so all the notification pops up. Okay then. Sorry. I will mute my phone then. Sorry. Okay then. Ready? For the question 14, write the missing number in the box on this number line. So to write the number on the box, the first thing you have to do, you have to check the distance. How many is it? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yeah,
10,
this is
11.
hello
11,
teacher.
right?
Your
What?
Hello? Is my voice laggy?
Just now, teacher voice just froze and the mouse also froze at one spot. Then after that, just go super flash.
Oh my God. Okay
yes.
then. Let me repeat for the question 14. For the question 14, in here we need to find the how many scale are there from negative 20 into 2. From negative 20 into 2, the difference is 22, right? And then in here, the space, there are 11 space. So it means there is this is 22 in total. 22 is equals to 11 steps, so it means one step is equals to 2. So when I move
Teacher,
one step, yes, is
your
it
voice
laggy?
just now is gone.
Hello, is my voice still laggy?
Yeah, it's like suddenly gone.
No, right, again.
Already by the new provider, is it still
No,
laggy?
I don't know, teacher. For you, I just hear you just fine. It's just normal. I think it's your connection.
My
Okay.
connection
Oh,
still
you
bad.
are blaming the whole class connection. Hmm?
Well, I think I'm starting to. I think I don't know because now I cannot see teacher at all. I can't
Oh,
even listen hear her.
I
is
can
my
see teacher. I can also listen.
Is teacher even talking now?
okay
I
then?
cannot
So
tell.
My class.
is my voice laggy? It's not laggy, right? Because I can hear all of my students clearly.
Right
Okay.
now,
No, I hear you, but I cannot see you all the time. I can see you sometimes.
so
My
can you see
camera,
teacher now?
sorry, my camera is already on, but yeah, my internet is not really stable enough. Sorry then. Because when there is a blackout at my house, there is only one or two provider that this works. Even the Telkomsel doesn't work at my house. So yeah. Hello. Okay then. So for the question 14 in here, I need to find the difference from the given question in here. This is the given number is negative 20 until 2. From negative 20 until 2, the difference is 22, right? 2 minus negative 20 is 22. And then when I check the steps, there are 11 steps. For the 11 steps is equals to 22. So it means for each step, it will be counted as 2. So from here, after negative 20, jump to, it will be negative 18. So jump again to negative 16, negative 14, negative 12, negative 10, and that's why the answer is negative 8. Is there anyone having question for the question 14?
No, teacher.
Okay.
No, teacher. I have another way, but
Oh, okay.
it's okay.
Yeah, okay. Then if you have no question, I will continue to the next step.
The thing.
Okay, the next question. Oops, sorry. Yeah, wait. Yeah, this is it. Okay, we continue to this. Oh, sorry. Wait.
It's number 15, teacher.
Sorry.
15.
Hello.
15.
15.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that one.
sorry.
No,
Yeah,
no,
I
no,
jumped too
15.
much. Yeah, I jumped too much. Sorry. For the question 15,
3,
look at the list of
one.
this number. From the list, write down the numbers that are prime numbers. You know that the prime numbers cannot be divided by any number other than 1 and itself. So the prime numbers 3 and 7, multiples of 4 is 4 and 400, factors of 27, 1, 3, and 9. Is there anyone having any question regarding the question 15? Is there
No,
anyone?
teacher.
No? Okay. If you have no question, I will move to the question 16. For the question 16, there are so many possibilities. I found 3 possibilities. Is there anyone having any different answer? You can tell me and then we can check, because in the question use card to make the statement correct, each card should be only used once. So the card cannot be repeated. You have 2 minutes to make any other calculation as long as the answer is correct. So is there anyone having a different uh, number maybe other than my 3 possibilities? You can
Um,
tell it to me. No?
Teacher, I don't think
Yes.
so that is it. I think all of them is already there.
Okay
Possible
then. So
answers.
maybe just in case any one of you found any other numbers that you want to
Teacher,
try to clarify. Yes.
where are we?
Sorry.
Where are we?
We are at the question 16.
Yeah, I still see question 15.
Oh my god. But I think my screen is already go to 16, right? Or it
I
my
think
Yeah,
internet
your
it's still
connection
fine.
because we all can see it is 16.
16, right? Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
any different answers? Is that
Yeah, there is any difference answer, because the answer we have to use these uh 6 cards. From these 6 cards we have to find any calculation, so later the number can be used once and we have to make 2 calculation. The final answer has to be correct. I found 3 possibilities. My first possibility, negative 8 plus 5 is equals to negative 3, and then I use 6 minus 10, it will be equals to negative 4. Another possibility, 5 plus negative 8 will be equals to negative 3. 6 minus negative 4, it will be equals to 10. And then another calculation that I have, 10 plus negative 4 is equals to 6. Negative 3 minus 5 will be equals to negative 8. So I ask you, is there any different answer? So if you have any different calculation that is not the same with me, you can type it and then we can discuss it together. Yeah, negative 4 plus 6 is equals to 4 plus negative 4. So it's Okay. Oh yeah, there is another possibilities. -3 minus -8 will be equals to 5. Yeah, that is correct. Thank you, Kalista. Okay, is there anyone else having a different answer? Yes.
Actually, I also been thinking about what before.
3 minus
No mind.
-8, it will be equals to, oh sorry, -3, yeah. -3, wait, -3 minus -8, yeah, correct. It will be equals to 5, correct. 10 minus 5, if you use 10 minus 5, the answer will be equals to 5. But the question said that the card should be used once. So the card cannot be used twice. So if you write it 10 minus 5, the answer will be equals to 5. We use the cards of number 5 twice. So it is not possible. So there are 4 possibilities so far. If you have any different answer, maybe you can clarify for or this is already done, or is there anyone having any different answer? No?
No, teacher.
Okay.
No, teacher. I agree with the different and down.
Yeah.
But confusing thing for me is like, how come is -4 plus 6 become 10?
-4 plus 6, which one?
Yeah, it's supposed to be -4, not 4.
The question is -4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you write
Oh,
4 plus
oh yeah, this is wrong. So this is
cannot.
cannot be, yeah, cannot. Okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah, let's see. Wait, all of my connections. Wait. My annotation gone. Okay, so the previous answer was not okay, yeah, because the 4 in here it's -4, not a 4. Okay, then. So it's supposed to be, we use the 10 plus -4 still, it will be equals to 6. And then the previous one, -3 minus -8, it will be okay, it will be equals to 5, okay? Is there anyone else having a question, or maybe I make a wrong calculation in here, wrong number that I put? Okay.
No,
No.
teacher. The only thing that is correct is just that -3 minus -8 is 5. That's the only thing correct.
Okay then. Thank you. We can continue to the question 17. For the question 17, the temperature starts at 6 and it falls by 13. When it is false, we just need to subtract them. 6 minus 13, the answer is -7. Sorry? Oh no. Yeah. And then for the question B, the temperature starts at -2. It falls by 8. False, it means we need to subtract. -2 minus 8, it will be equals to -10. Anyone having question for question 17? No?
Questions, teacher.
Okay.
Your
For the,
voice is
like again,
starting to fade away.
is my voice super thin now?
Faded.
See?
No.
It's gone now.
No, teacher.
No.
I
Okay.
can hear you properly and I can see you properly.
Okay then. I'm really worried.
Yeah,
I'm done.
I can
I'm done.
hear teacher and see teacher properly.
Okay, then. Okay, I will continue to the question 18. Write this number in order, starting with the smallest. So because we have to start from the smallest, we need to find its square root will be equals to how many. 3 to the power of 2 is equals to how many. So later we can compare which one is the smallest one, which one is the highest one. So this is okay, for the 0.2 square, why it is equals to 0.04. Maybe you are confused. So if it is decimal, it will be better if you keep it as a fraction. So there will be no silly mistake. 0.2 is equals to 2 per 8, 2 per 10, sorry. 0.2 is equals to 2 by 10. And then 0.2 square, it means 0.2 times 0.2. So I can write it down as 2 by 10 times 2 by 10. 2 times 2, the answer is equals to 4. 10 times 10 is equals to 100. 4 per 100, the answer is 0.04, not 0.4. That's why for the 0.2 square, it will be 0.04. Is there anyone having questions still? Or anything confusing still? No? Okay. If it is not confusing, I will move to the question 19. For the question 19, 9 to the power of 0 is equals to 0. I said it is false.
False.
Can you tell me how many is 9 to the power of 0?
1.
Yeah, everything to the power of 0 supposed to be 1. And then 9 to the power of 8 divided by 9 to the power of 4 will be equals to 9 to the power of how many?
2. No.
No, because I did not tick it, so it means false. We only have to tick
Eh.
if the answer is correct. Tick the correct box. If it's not tick, it means it is wrong.
Power of 4.
Yeah, 9 to the power of 4. When there is a division using indices, we just need to subtract the power. So 8 minus 4, it will be equals to 4. Is there anyone having question or difficulty still? Is there anyone?
No.
No? Okay. So it means we already done with our revision. Tomorrow I will give you a chapter-wise test, right? As
How
we
is it?
promised. Sorry?
How will the chapter-wise test be?
Okay, the chapter-wise test will be like a chapter-wise test simulation. But later I will put a timer so it will be directly moved. I don't have to click it, so there will be, yeah. Later I will upload the answer through the Google Classroom. I will upload the answer to the Google Classroom.
Not the
But the
Make it
question for the
teacher. The
chapter-wise test,
question.
no, the
Question
question
you
for the
upload.
chapter-wise test, or which one?
No, because if you like do the slide, I have like internet connections problem, right, teacher?
Uh-huh.
Maybe like last time I missed question 10 and 11. So I mean like when the class started, 5 minutes before the class, you just need to put it in Google Classroom.
Oh, okay.
So
So,
while doing the
okay.
test, we also see in the Google Classroom.
Oh yeah. So later at tomorrow we have class at 1 p.m. Same rules. By 2 p.m. the answers has to be submitted to the Google Classroom ya.
by 2 what? By how many?
2 p.m. Kan your chapter wise test will be at 1 p.m. right? Tomorrow is Thursday. So we will have class until 1:45 p.m. So it means by 2 p.m. you have to submit your answer to the
Teacher.
Google Classroom. Yes.
So 1 p.m. we start doing the Google Classroom while turning on the camera, and then
I will show the question in here. If you think your connection
uh,
is too laggy, later you can use the question from the Google Classroom that I'm going to post, because maybe some of you will be having internet trouble like Ken said. So yeah, I will post it, but I will delete it by 1:45. I will delete the question. So yeah, you can pick which one you can follow me, but the camera have to be on. You have to using the Webex still. I need to see you. Okay. Yeah, that is. So I
We have
give
to make
you,
sure we don't move around and
yeah, if you move around and maybe there is someone around you, yeah. Because I cannot like it cannot be happening like the chapter wise test when in the class. I can make sure that you will not be talking with your friends or anything. So the only thing I can do is by seeing each of you doing it. So yeah, everyone tomorrow have to turn on the camera and please do not be late. Is Jovan in this class? Yeah, Jovan is in this class, yeah. 8I, 8I, yeah. Jovan, yeah.
Jovan or Juvan?
Jovan,
Jovan.
Jovan. Is Jovan
Oh,
in the class?
Jovan.
Ya, oke. I will talk in bahasa for a while ya. Jovan, besok ada ulangan belajar. Kalau besok setelah tes harus langsung dikumpulkan lewat Google Classroom. Nggak boleh telat. Jam 2 siang harus dikumpulkan lewat Google Classroom. Kelasnya selesai
Wait,
jam
here.
1:45.